She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I would do a full face wearing only Jason Wu beauty makeup apart from foundation, since they don't have that as part of their line yet. They sent me dun, 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 all of these goodies to play with. Thinking about doing a more monochromatic look using their Hot Fluff in Gingerbread. It looks like a lipstick, but you can actually use this on your eyes as eyeshadow or also as blush. I wanted to do a more casual talk through video. So yeah, let's just jump right in. Always important to clip your hair back if you have bangs like me. Guess I'll share what they sent me first. So they sent their Flora 9 matte palette. This is just their matte eyeshadow palette. I think this is really handy just to have in your collection because all of these shades are so versatile and can be used as transition shades. And this palette is the Flora 9 Desert Rose. You already know my favorite colors are in the middle because they are shimmery and glittery. And then their Flora 9 Prickly Pear palette, which has a little more shimmer and glitter. I did swatch these before, but these are really good travel palettes to have. The only downside is that it doesn't come with a mirror. For blush, they sent this one here. I could see myself using all of these shades. Their Ready Set Matte, which is a loose powder. It comes with a nice little puff. This is a very interesting eye product. Have you guys heard of soap brows? Soap brows is basically an eyebrow setting method where you take a solid wax like this and you activate it with water, and then you take a spoolie brush to run it down, and then you use it to set your eyebrows. So I used this once before because I needed to know how to use it first. It's just a really cool product. They sent their classic liquid eyeliner. Just looks like that. This is a really cool highlighter. It has blue specks. You see how the light just refracts off of it? Oh, and I want to try this. I'm really late to these trends, but this is the Freckled boy. And I know that freckles were really big last summer, but I kind of want to try it out today with my monochrome look. They sent me these. These are just liquid eyeshadows. I guess I'll start with the eyes. And for the eyes, I mentioned that I'm going for a more monochrome look. So what I mean by monochrome is that the lid color as well as the cheeks and the lips are all the same tone. So I'm taking Hot Fluff in the shade Gingerbread. This is definitely my favorite shade in their lipstick collection. And the way I like to apply blush is along the temples to kind of contour a little bit, because I'm not gonna be bronzing my face today. I'm just taking a little bit on my finger. I'm stamping it upwards along my temples as opposed to putting it on the apples of my cheeks. Taking a clean brush. This is Real Techniques sculpting brush. I like that there's a lot of bristles here, so it blends really nicely. So when you look straight on, you see that it's giving my face a bit of a sculpting look. Taking a little more. Kind of hot. Doing the same here to this side. Now that it's literally just stamped on, I'm taking this Ready Set Matte powder to dilute the color a little bit. So instead of using this puff, since it's a little too big for what I need right now, taking a fluffy brush like this and buffing out the edges so it's softer. Same on the other side. I don't want to blend away the blush too much because I do want the color to be pretty prominent. Next, taking the same color Gingerbread, I'm swooping it across my eyelids. Like that. And taking a fluffy brush with no pigment on it, I'm gonna blend the edges. The way I like to blend is circular motions, and the formula of this makes it really easy to blend out. You can also, if you don't want to put it directly on your eyes, you can just take some on your brush like this. I feel like this is really beginner friendly because all you need is just this one product. Next, we're gonna even out the top and the bottom, so I'm taking a really thin pencil brush like this, putting some on the brush. Now I'm just gonna go straight in with the bullet on my lips, but I do want to overline the lips a little bit because I like a more poutier look. With colors like these, I like to stamp it on rather than swiping it because then we can always keep on building. Taking my finger, I'm gonna blur the edges a little. So blending out the edges of your lips with your finger makes it look a little more naturally plump than if you were to overline with a really thin pencil brush. I think I want a little bit more blush on my cheeks. Next, I'm using this brow trio. First product I'm going in with is the Groomed by Mr. Wu eyebrow pencil. So I like to brush out my eyebrow first. Brush it out. I'm not done with the eyes, by the way. I just want my eyebrows on because I think it looks weird without my eyebrows on right now. I always brush my eyebrows as I draw them in because I don't like it when it looks really intense. It just looks really unnatural if you just draw in your eyebrows without brushing it through. Now to set the hairs in place, I'm taking the Bush Brow Shaper Soap. They sent me the activator with it, but if you don't have this, you can just activate it with water. Just spray some on, take it like that. Only need a little bit. This much, and then just brush through your brows so you can set it and make it last all day. If you're into the brow hairs standing straight up, I think this product would be really good for that. I tried this on a few days ago and my lashes, or not my lashes, my eyebrows stayed like this the entire day. So I was really impressed. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and put on mascara off camera. Now I feel like my look is coming together. Taking their classic liquid liner in black, I'm gonna try to draw it as close to my lash line as possible. I'm gonna draw it on the outer eyelid, follow my natural lash line. Like that. So the reason why I don't line all the way inside, I feel like that closes my eyes a little bit. If you're warm toned, I think the shade Gingerbread would suit you pretty nicely. But if you're cool toned, they actually have another shade. I forgot the name of it, but I'll leave it down below. Would work better for your skin tone to get that monochrome look. I want a little bit of sparkle on my eyes and also on my cheekbones. So I'm gonna use the 9 shadow palette. This is in Desert Rose. And I'm gonna use this middle shade here. I'm using a really thin pencil brush like this. Dipping it in the middle. Go right in the inner corner. I'm not gonna bring it all the way towards the outer and only focusing it on the inner. Should I bring it down here? I'm scared. Kinda wanna use the same shade as a highlighter on my cheeks. think it'll tie into the inner corners pretty nicely, so I'm just gonna try a little bit. And I'll put some on my nose. Okay, I'm really scared for this part, but I'm gonna try drawing in fake freckles. I might ruin the whole look, so enjoy this for now. Comes in a brush applicator like that, and it does have a slight reddish tone, which is why I think it will go well with this look. Dot some here. And you wait a few seconds. The longer you wait, the darker your freckles will look. Then you tap on with your fingers. I don't know if that did anything. But layer it one more time.
I broke a few hearts or two, a couple too many times. I let good things go up in flames.
I need to put some on my nose.
If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem. No one made me wanna change. Then that was you. It feels so new. I just wanna get this right.
Oh yeah, I think with your hair done, the freckles look a little better. Oh, I kind of like it. I really like the matte look going on with a bit of sparkle on the inner corners and the same shade on my high points. I think this freckle product actually ties in really well with this shade because they both have that warm reddish undertone. But yeah, let me know if you guys end up recreating this for yourself. I think this will be a really nice look for even Valentine's Day. Or if you want to switch things up with your everyday look, I think this will be a really good one to try. I'll leave everything that I used for this look down below. And let me know if you guys want another tutorial using some of their eyeshadow palettes. I know I only used one shade for this look. These colors are so versatile. I feel like you can make a lot of different looks with this. I was dying to try this one too, so let me know if you guys want a part 2 using some more of their products. Thank you again for watching. Make sure you like this video and leave a comment below if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Bye!
Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it.